Hello students, I welcome you all to this class. This is mathematics class and today we are here to consider this topic integration. And basically we are solving the second example on this topic and we have done the introductory part already. And I told you that if you have integral of this form, integral of x raised to power n with respect to x. So all you have to do is to add 1 to the index. It will be x raised to power n plus 1 and use the result to divide the function divided by n plus 1 plus the constant of integration c, provided that the index of x, which is n, should not be minus 1. So let's look at this question. The integral of 4x raised to power 3 minus 3x squared minus 5, which has a value of minus 3 at x equals minus 1 is, we want to integrate this. So we are going to integrate this term by term, right? So if you integrate 4x raised to power 3, we'll use this formula. So it will be 4x raised to power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 minus 3x raised to power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So you add 1 to the index and use the result to divide. That's what I did. This one too, add 1 to the index and use the result to divide. Then we have minus 5. Minus 5 is a constant. Integral of a constant is that constant multiplying the variable you are integrating with respect to. Remember, we are integrating with respect to x, so it will be minus 5 multiply x, which will be minus 5x. So, and we have to add the constant of integration c. We can simplify further. This will be equal to we have 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is what? 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 divide 4. So we are going to have left with x raised to power 3 plus 1, which is x raised to power 4. If you do the same thing here, 2 plus 1 is what? 3. 3 will divide 3. What we left is minus x raised to power what? 3. Because what 2 plus 1 is 3. Then minus 5x plus what? C. Right? So when x is minus 1, the value of the integral is what? Minus 3. So let's write when x equals minus 1. So we'll solve. When x is minus 1, what's the value of the integral? The value of the integral is what? Minus 3. So we are going to have minus 3 will be equal to, we are going to put minus 1 in this integral. So we are going to have minus 1 raised to power 4 minus 1 raised to power 3 minus 5 multiply minus 1 plus c. So actually, providing the giving us the value for the integral when x is minus 1 will help us to evaluate the constant c. If you simplify, this implies that minus 3 is equal to minus 1 raised to power 4 will be positive 1 because the index is even. Then minus 1 raised to power 3 will be minus 1 because the index is odd. Minus 1 multiply negative, we are going to have positive 1. Then minus 1 multiply minus 5 will give you positive 5 plus c. Right? This is what we have, plus c. So this implies minus 3 is equals to 1 plus 1 will be what? 1 plus 1 is 2, and then we'll have 2 plus 5 is what? 7 plus what? C. So we are going to move what? 7 to this side. So if you move 7 to this side, you have minus 3 minus 7 is equal to what? C. If you move 7 to this side. So minus 3 minus 7 is minus 10 equals C. So the constant of integration is what? We got it to be minus 10. So giving us the value of the integral to be minus 3 when x is minus 1 helped us to evaluate the constant of integration. So with that, we evaluated the constant of integration and we got what? Minus 10. So we'll carry this minus 10 and substitute to the value of the integral. We'll carry this minus 10 and substitute to the result of this integral. Then we'll have the final result here. So thank you so much for being part of this class. I'm expecting you in our upcoming class. Bye.